Do you know the level of Nigeria people anger now? You never see anything. Come here waiting this our brother talk for the street. Hey, all these politicians, all these senators, all these governors, even the president, make una hear. The people where wanna they rule, they don't lose and finish. It remain when the bell go knock, bam, all of them go find you come. You see that Senate house when they sit down. One day people go come relax for there, sit down for there. Think better think. I want you to watch this video and hear this thing where our brother talk for inside this video. How you go take buy all these politicians, House of Assembly, all of them, saying go buy all of them. Say now you go make Nigeria better. Watch the video before we come back. Come continue.
What do you think Nigeria, the citizen, can do to hold our government accountable?
Not to slaughter them. We know play make them day alive. Not to wipe all those all these illegal Ogboni people they work for all this Nigeria.
The president himself and the governors.
And without violence, Nigeria no go good.
Without violence,
Nigeria no go good.
Violence will make Nigeria better.
I'm telling you.
What we can do to hold our people accountable, we have to kill all our leaders there.
Men will kill them.
Kill all of them, flush everybody.
Tinubu will kill them.
Gather and start afresh. Are you getting me? So that Nigeria will be good. All those people who are on the thrones,
yes, we kill them.
Are intimidating us. Let's kill them. Slaughter all of them.
How do we go about killing them?
We have to. How we can go about killing them? We have to plan very well.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
If we plan very well, we can fish them one by one.
Okay.
And kill all of them.
Okay.
And we know them.
Sir, you support killing them too?
Yes. Because they have turned it to they are misusing our
resources.
Yes. Look at our economy is going down every day. So, like we did yesterday, Nigeria, that decided let Nigeria not to be win. Because if they win, it is our evil leader that call Mr. Tinubu.
Yes.
I'm not going to call him Mr. President. Like Mr. Tinubu, I don't want him to touch the call.
So now revolution now,
if the fireman, they're not going to make us.
Okay.
They will try their best, but they are not going to make it.
So in the verse now, guy.
I'm not happy.
All right. Chairman, too, you support?
Yes, I support.
No, kill them.
Kill them away. They're not our leaders.
All right.
We need to flush out.
All right, thank you.
They say I'll go yesterday. I'll put it away.
That is why you are seeing all this uprising coming up. But I assure you, more will come. More will come. More will come.
If nothing is done.
If nothing is done to alleviate the masses from poverty, you will still see such uprising coming to play.
All right. But people are hungry. That is what I. Do you know that I buy hungry? I don't know that a hungry man Indomie is 550 naira one. Imagine such thing. I was mad yesterday. Is it what is going on? So because it's not something that I eat every time. So I just say let me have it last night. Oh boy, 550. God. So I don't know. Whatever they are doing.
To hold them accountable. To hold our government accountable.
No, they have already punished us. They have already put fear in us. So that is why people cannot react. Nigerians are already before now. Fellas say we are suffering and smiling. They have been our nature. It will be part of us. So it's only I don't know. We cannot say make we pray because God have given us the power to liberate ourselves, but this one now no be to come pray. If you enter us pray from now till next year, now only mercy. But
what actions are we taking now?
The actions, if you are really hungry, you know what to do. Nigerians that hungry know what to do. So that is the little I can say over that.
Thank you. What's going on?
It's as a result of a food crisis.
Food crisis in Nigeria?
Yes.
We don't have food in Nigeria. The foods are expensive.
The food is expensive
we don't really have food. One, the farmers are not going to farm again to farm as a result of herders, clashing with the farmers. As a result of that, the farmers are not going. The produce is in a piecemeal.
What should Tinubu? Now Tinubu, I won't talk about. What did Tinubu do? Tinubu government, good. It's totally. Share your experience now. See, if you go market now, one buy a bag of rice before, we are buying it either 54, 55. Now it's 72,000 naira per bag. Our children cannot eat rice, go school again. It's totally bad. Totally bad. No more Emiloko. Forget about that Emiloko. That one, we don't need that comment for now. Let Tinubu think. He use the wisdom, rule Nigeria. Not be by all these enemies them. Remove all those boys where say they're no good. Remove them one by one. Every day things are increase. People are dying. One cannot eat 2 square meals in a day.
You tell Nigeria say Tinubu no they competent.
No, they competent.
But you vote him.
I don't vote him.
No joy now, sir.
No joy, man.
What can we do to hold them accountable?
My brother, I'm not a politician. I don't know what we can do. Without violence, Nigeria no go good.
Without violence,
Nigeria no go good.
Violence go make Nigeria better.
I'm telling you.
So that match we won yesterday, how far?
They are misusing their power.
No joy for Nigeria.
There is no joy in Nigeria. Because even though Nigeria wins South Africa, it cannot contribute to
economic growth of the country.
And dollar will not fall.
Welcome back. Now wey you don watch this video, please remember say you still there for Officer Justice Day. Here we dey bring you ogbonge news as it dey happen. Na so we dey bring and dey come. Share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. And don't just go inside the comment section. Let us know what you think. Whether you support this thing, where this our brother talk for inside that video. Drop your own comments.